Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
I wake up early in the morning. I turn off the alarm. I get up at 6:30 a.m. I make my bed every day. I open the curtains. I open the windows. I do some stretching. I exercise for 30 minutes. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to work. I reach office at 9 a.m. I go to school by bus. I go to office by bus. I play with my friends. I leave school at 2 p.m. I do my homework. I do my office work. I attend the meeting. I finish my work at 5 p.m. I go home. I arrive home. I have lunch. I take a nap after lunch. I feed the dog. I take my dog for a walk. I check my emails. I listen to a podcast. I work on my computer. I go for run. I water the plants every day. I buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. I take out the garbage. I go for a walk. I call my friend. I watch news. I charge my devices. I read a newspaper. I watch TV. I write in my journal before bed. I set my alarm for next day. I read a book before sleeping. I put on pajamas before bed. I go to bed.